Let's look at how to get complex conjugate of a complex number using TensorFlow math library. So what we have is uh, uh, we have a tensor of complex numbers. So let's create that tf.constant, and this number is going to real part is minus 1.25 plus 1.75 j, that's the imaginary part, and the second number we have 0.25 as the real part, and then we have the imaginary part which is 0.75j, 7.j. So that's the imaginary part. Now if we were to create a complex conjugate, we would type tf.math.conj for conjugate, input x there, and then we can print the value of j in the output, and we should see the values for the imaginary part are now changed. So here we had a negative 1.75j, a positive, and this has now become negative 1.75j. Likewise, this was negative, which has now, or this was positive and it is now negative. You can try changing these values again and trying to run this again. So as you can see, minus 0.75j is now plus 0.75j. This works for the complex numbers, but if we were to use real numbers, for example, if we delete the imaginary part from these numbers and try to run the same line of code, we would see that there is the output doesn't change. It's the numbers stay the same. So that was it for how to use TensorFlow math library to create complex conjugates of complex numbers. Thank you.